Students, next topic is that is calculation of sigma bond. How to calculate sigma bonds? I will give simple trick, student. I will give simple trick calculation of sigma bonds. First one, calculation of sigma bonds in hydrocarbons, that is aliphatic hydrocarbons. First one is alkanes. We know alkane general formula CnH2n plus 2. So generally, how many types of bonds, student? There are three types of bonds, that is single bond, double bond and triple bond. Generally, single bond having only one sigma bond, single bond having only one sigma bonds, no pi bond, zero pi bonds. Double bond also having one sigma and one pi bond, and triple bond having one sigma and two pi bond. This is a simple text. Generally, three types of bonds are there, that is single bond, double bond and triple bond. Single bond having only one sigma and no pi bonds. Double bond having one sigma and one pi bond is there. Triple bond having one sigma bond is there and two pi bonds are there. This is the simple trick, student. First one, now calculation of sigma bonds. Calculation of sigma bonds in alkanes. How to calculate sigma bonds? Calculate the number of sigma bonds. Number of sigma bonds. Sorry. Number of sigma bonds is equal to what is the formula, student? Total number of carbons into 3 plus 1. This is the simple formula, student. Total number of carbons into 3 plus 1. C means number of carbon. Total number of carbons into 3 plus 1. This formula belongs to alkanes. How to calculate sigma bonds in alkanes, that is hydrocarbons, alkanes. So now take the example in CH3 single bond CH3. In ethane molecule, how many sigma bonds are there? So what is the formula, student? Total number of carbons in this molecule, 2 carbons are there. 2 into 3 plus 1, that is equal total, how many sigma bonds are 2, 3 is 6 plus 1, total 7 sigma bonds are there. If you take the C3H8, in C3H8, how many sigma bonds are there? Here, what is the formula? Total number of carbons into 3 plus 1. In this C3H8, how many carbons are there? 3 carbons are there. 3 into 3 plus 1. Total 3 3 is 9 plus 1. Total 10 sigma bonds are present. This is the simple trick. If you know the structure, if you take the CH3 single bond CH3, here in this another method, this is first method, and another thing is second method is I will give some second structure also. In C3H6, how many sigma bonds are there? The second method. This carbon, write the skeleton structure. This carbon surrounding 3 hydrogens are there. CH3. This carbon surrounding 3 hydrogens are there, 1 2 3. Then after that one single bond is there, then single bond, and right side carbon also having 3 hydrogens, 1 2 3. Now calculate that this molecule, this C2, this structure, how many sigma, this structure surrounding how many sigma bonds are there, student? This single bond, what I said, single bond also having single bond always one sigma bond. So this carbon surrounding here also one sigma, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 sigma bonds. 7 sigma bonds. This is the 7 sigma bonds. This is surrounding 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 sigma bonds. Now take the another structure, that is CH3 single bond CH2 single bond CH3. In this propane molecule, how many sigma bonds are there? Write the skeleton structure. This carbon surrounding how many hydrogens are there? 3 hydrogens, 1 2 3. Then one single bond is there, then single bond. This second carbon surrounding 2 hydrogens are there, 1 2, then single bond is there, then single bond. This carbon surrounding how many sigma bonds are there, student? 3 hydrogens are there, 1 2 3. Now calculate the number of sigma bonds. All carbon surrounding only single bonds are there. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 sigma bonds, total 10 sigma bonds. This is the second method, student. Out of these two, you learn any one. This is the, if you don't know structure, follow this one. If you don't know the structure, follow this one. Total number of carbons into 3 plus 1. Now take the last example, student. If C4H8, C4H10 is given. In C4H10 is given. How many sigma bonds are there? We don't know structure. Simple, follow the formula, that is total number of carbons total number of carbons into 3 plus 1. Here in this C4H10, how many carbons are there? 4 carbons. 4 into 3 plus 1. That is 4 3 is 12 plus 1. 13 sigma bonds are there. 13 sigma bonds are there. If in case you know the structure, how to write the structure, that is CH3, CH2, then CH2, then CH3. This is butane structure. C4H10 means that is N-butane. So N-butane structure is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 carbons, hydrogen 10, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 2, 7 plus 3, 10. Total 10 hydrogens are there. In this second method I am writing, in this butane, how many sigma bonds are there, student? I am writing skeleton structure. This carbon surrounding 3 hydrogens are there, means 1, 2, 3, then bond is there, bond. This carbon surrounding 2 hydrogens, 1, 2, then single one. This carbon surrounding 2 hydrogens, 1, 2, and then single one. This carbon surrounding 3 hydrogens are there, 1, 2, 3. Now calculate the total number of sigma bonds, student. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Total 13 sigma bonds. This is the simple trick, student. How to calculate sigma bonds in alkene? General formula, student. What I said, student, that is general formula. Number of sigma bonds formula, total number of carbons. Total number of carbons into 3 plus 1. 3 already is given, that is total number of sigma bonds. Shortcut, I gave shortcut formula, total number of carbons into 3 plus 1. This is only for aliphatic hydrocarbons, that is only for alkenes. Now take the second one, student, that is alkenes. What is the alkene general formula, student? That is how to calculate sigma bonds in alkenes. How to calculate sigma bonds in alkenes? Alkenes, what is the alkene general formula, student? CnH2n. This is alkene general formula, student. So how to calculate sigma bonds in alkenes? In alkenes, number of sigma bonds. Number of sigma bonds in alkenes, total number of carbons. Total number of carbons into 3 minus 1. This is the simple trick, student. This is the second method. Calculate the sigma bonds in alkenes. How to calculate sigma bonds in alkenes? This is the simple trick, student. That in alkene general formula, that is total number of carbons into 3 minus 1. This is the second method, that is alkenes. In alkenes, calculate the number of sigma bond. Now take the, student, that is C2H4. C2H4. C2H4 means like this, CH2 double bond CH2. Similar to CH2 double bond CH2. In this CH2 double bond CH2, how many sigma bonds are there? So in C2H4, how many sigma bonds are there? So how many carbons are there, student? 2 carbons are there. 2 into 3 minus 1, that is equal to how many sigma bonds? 2 3 is 6 minus 1. 2 3 is 6 minus 1 means 5 sigma bonds. Total 5 sigma bonds are there. Total 5 sigma bonds are there. And one, if you know the structure, I am writing structure here, CH2 like this, CH2 like this. This structure I am writing skeleton structure, CH2 double bond CH2. This carbon surrounding 2 hydrogens are there, 1 2. Then after that double bond is there, double bond. And right side carbon also 2 hydrogens are there, 1 2. So now calculate the sigma bond, student. What I said, student, that is single bond always having 1 sigma. 1 sigma here also 1 sigma, here also 1 sigma, and double bond also having only 1 sigma. And single bond 1 sigma, here also 1 sigma. Total number of sigma bond, how many sigma bonds are there, student? 1 2 3 4 5. Total 5 sigma bonds. If you know the structure, follow this one. If you don't know the structure, follow the simple formula. Total number of carbons into 3 minus 1. This belongs to alkenes shortcuts. Alkenes shortcuts. How to calculate sigma bonds in alkenes compound, means alkenes molecule. Now take the one more example, that is C3H6. Next example, C3H6. In C3H6, how many sigma bonds are there? In C3H6, how many sigma bonds, student? That is total number of carbons, 3 into 3 minus 1. 3 3 is 9 minus 1, that is 8 sigma bonds are there. 8 sigma bonds are present. Now take the C4H8. In C4H8, how many sigma bonds are there, student? That is total number of carbons 4. 4 into 3 minus 1. That is 4 3 is 12. 12 minus 1 means that is 11 sigma bonds. This is the simple trick for sigma bonds in alkenes. Now take the, if you know the structure, now draw the structure C4H8, C3, first one C3H6, we can write the structure CH3 CH double bond CH2. This is the structure. Write the skeleton structure. This carbon surrounding, how many sigma bond? This carbon surrounding 3 hydrogens are there. 1, 2, 3, then single bond. This carbon surrounding 1 hydrogen is there, then after that double bond is there, and this carbon surrounding 2 hydrogens are there, 1 hydrogen here and 1 hydrogen here. Now calculate the sigma bond strength. This carbon surrounding 3 hydrogens are there, that means 3 sigma bonds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total 8 sigma bonds. And formula, that is total number of carbons into 3 minus 1. We get that 8 sigma bond. If you know the structure, follow the structure. Second method, this method, second method, follow the structure. This is also same thing, 8 sigma bond. Now take the C4H and draw the structure. C4H structure is CH3 CH double bond, then CH, then CH3. C4H8 formula structure is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 8. 4 carbons are there. 3, 1, 4, 5, 3, 8. 8 hydrogens are the C4H8 structure, that is C4H8 structure. Now calculate the sigma bonds. How to sigma bonds? Draw the skeleton structure. This carbon surrounding 3 hydrogens are there. I am writing skeleton structure. This carbon surrounding 3 hydrogens. Then after that single bond is there. Then after that this carbon having 1 hydrogen is there. 1 hydrogen. After that double bond is there, and this carbon also having 1 hydrogen is there. Then after that single bond. Then this carbon surrounding 3 hydrogens. So now here in this structure, total number of sigma bonds, calculate the number of sigma bonds. Student, what I said, student, single bond always having 1 sigma bond. So this is 1 sigma. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Total 11 sigma bonds are present. 11 sigma bonds are present. Total 11 sigma bonds are present. This is the simple trick for alkenes. Alkene sigma bonds. Next topic is, that is alkynes, student. That is alkynes. In alkynes, how to calculate alkyne sigma bonds, student? Alkynes general formula we know, CnH2n minus 2. This is the alkynes. In alkynes, how to calculate sigma bonds? I will give simple trick, student. Number of sigma bonds equal to total number of carbons into 3 minus 3. This is a simple trick, student. Calculate the sigma bonds. In alkynes. Alkynes mean triple bond. Carbon in between, triple bond. Now what is the formula? Number of sigma bonds equal to formula total number of carbons into 3 minus 3. That is the simple trick, student. Now take the example C2H2. In C2H2, how many sigma bonds are there? Here what is the formula, student? Total number of carbon. In this molecule, how many carbons are there, student? 2 carbons. 2 into 3 minus 3. That means 2 3 is 6. 6 minus 3 means 3. Here 3 sigma bonds are present. This is the simple trick, student. Now if in case, now draw the structure, student. Draw the structure, that is C triple bond CH. This is the structure of C2H2. Now calculate the second method, student. This carbon surrounding, how many sigma bonds are there, student? This carbon surrounding 1 sigma bond is there. Triple bond also having only 1 sigma. You remember, student, single bond also having 1 sigma, double bond also having only 1 sigma, triple bond also having only 1 sigma. Here also 1 sigma, here also 1 sigma, and here also 1 sigma. Total 3 sigma bonds are there. So this is the simple trick, student. So alkynes general formula CnH2n minus 2. In alkynes, how to calculate sigma bonds, student? How to calculate number of sigma bonds, student? Number of sigma bonds formula total number of carbons into 3 minus 3. It is belongs to, this formula belongs to alkynes. For alkenes general, for alkenes, how to calculate alkenes formula, student? Number of sigma bonds. Calculate the number of sigma bonds in alkene formula. Total number of carbons into 3 minus 1. It is belongs to alkenes. But what about alkanes, student? In alkanes formula we know, that is alkanes formula total number of carbons into 3 plus 1. This is the simple trick, student. These are the calculate the sigma bonds even given following compounds, student. If you like my video, please like, share and comment. Thank you. Thanks for watching, student. If you like my video, please click on like. Thank you.